welcome back to Broerman Farmstead. We're going to take you along today as we replace a water hydrant that had broken this winter. This will be the third time that I've replaced this hydrant this year. The first replacement that I had put in failed because I had left a hose hooked up to it and the top of the hydrant had froze and cracked. The second one, I had bought a hydrant from a big box store, and I've had nothing but problems with that hydrant leaking. I have not been able to adjust the hydrant properly, and when I do adjust it, the top of it doesn't hold the adjustment. So I went to a local plumbing company and bought a really nice Woodford hydrant to replace this one with. As long as I don't make another mistake this next winter, this hydrant should last a very long time on this farm. So come along as I dig up that hydrant and replace it with this new one. So this is the hydrant that I'll be replacing. This hydrant is on the west side of our barn. I use it in the summer to fill up an outside water tank and to also hook up to our pressure washer for washing off farm machinery and trucks. So we got the old hydrant pulled. We got to pull the nipple off the end and put it on the new hydrant with some new pipe dope. There you go. Yeah.
Is that the drain hole?
Yes. That's the drain hole that the water will drain out of when you close the hydrant. Clean up this old nipple here. Take all this pipe tape off and put some pipe dope on it instead this time. The other side. Tighten it up, put it in the hole. I'll call you, then you can go downstairs, turn it on, and we'll check for leaks. So I've got Sean with me here. I'm going to send him downstairs. He's going to turn the water on. That way I can stay out here and monitor the hydrant to make sure that it's not leaking at all.
Hello.
All right. Whenever you're
ready?
Yeah, if you're ready.
Yep.
All right, shut it off. Yeah, we definitely got a leak at the pipe.
Okie dokie.
Definitely.
What's the plan?
I got to do more digging. Cut the hose short and reconnect this 90-degree end, because most likely there's a crack in it. And it could be
That hose clamp?
It could be a bad hose clamp, but what's that black? It's kind of opening up there. Doesn't that look like a crack?
You want me to run down back in the basement and turn it back on?
No, I think I can see it already. Right there. I'll bend back, see how it's opening?
Yep.
enough. No, I do not. That was the easy part.
It's not as hard as you think.
Pretty fairly loose fit or something.
Well, it's a plastic. Plastic or steel.
That's plastic.
So you can't get too violent with it.
No, you can't. Yeah, that's exactly what they are. 1/4 inch. Should we take that off, or we use that and then pry a shovel behind it and kind of pry against it to maybe try to push it on?
Well, I thought maybe I'd have enough leverage. You warm it up just a little.
Leverage. But if we need to actually push it on there, I can't get behind it with my hand to push, so we might put a shovel behind it, kind of pry against it a little bit. Get my dirt in there.
Be weird. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Too hot.
Nah, it's perfect. Just a little bit of heat, maybe make that plastic a little more malleable.
I can't see.
We started. Let me put that shovel in here.
The big one?
Yeah. Okay, maybe not. Yeah, spade. That small spade.
You want me to push down?
On.
Perfect.
I did that. Okay. Alright. Drill. Alright. Drill.
Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Here we go.
Yep.
It's on.
Okay. We're good.
We're good?
Yep.
Leave it on?
Yeah, we're good. Go ahead and leave it on. That way, if it starts to leak while we're putting it back together out here, we'll know. But that's good.
Right back.
Perfect. Now it's time to backfill this hole. I dug up some clean 57s out of the driveway to backfill this with. Put some good stone down there, where that way this hydrant can drain and drain well. So I finished reburying the hydrant, tested out one last time. Perfect. I'll rehook the garden hose up. That runs over to the cow's water tank, and we'll get them water. I'll let that water tank fill while I'm out here cleaning up my mess from replacing that hydrant. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We can do a lot here, but we cannot grow this channel without your help. Thank you, and have a good day.